everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit with me today. If you're new, I'm Laura. That's Wyatt. And we're kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, and you get a little bit of life in there. It is Sunday morning and it is 30 degrees and the snow is falling. It's overcast, ugly, windy, snowy. After we finally got all the snow to melt last week, here it comes again. Yeah. So I think I'm just going to stay in today. I think that's the plan. And I dressed accordingly. So I have on a matching set from Z Supply. You may remember this from my Z Supply haul probably a couple of months ago. And it is this button-down shirt jacket. So we'll call it jacket, I guess. Pull-on pants. Love these. I paired it with just a tank from the Loft. This one has a little bit of a shimmer. And then my shoes also shimmer. How about these? These are slip-on tennies, which I am in love with, from Dolce Vita. Love them. They have a black version of these as well. I keep wanting to get. I'm thinking I'm not going to need the Sherpa that much longer, right? I sure hope not. Well, Wyatt and I have a video planned that we're going to get to. Hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already. I'm up early because my son had to get out of the house and I was helping him with something there, and then I have an early appointment this morning, so it's not even 7 yet. It's still dark outside. It is 26 degrees, getting up to 34. And for today's outfit, I selected a pair of cut from the cloth denim. These are super comfortable. I got them on sale during their Ever Eve denim sale, and they remind me of the Pistola I couldn't keep in my Stitch Fix because I had that huge waist gap. So these fit a lot nicer, and I have that great dark wash. I have on a top by Z Supply, also from Ever Eve. It came in a Trendsend. Then I paired it with this amazing jacket you may remember from my Z Supply haul. And my shoes are booties, and they're Sam Edelman. How cute are these? And for jewelry, I have on, let's see, my earrings I've been wearing, my bracelet stack. I have on the necklace my husband got me for Valentine's Day. And I think that's it. I think I'm ready to go. All right, let's do this. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. Another chilly one, 35 degrees. And Wyatt's joining me. Huh, buddy? He doesn't mind it. Let's see, for outfit of the day today, I have on my Anessa Page denim from a Trendsend. I have on my Ever Eve sweater I shared with you earlier this week in my Ever Eve haul. Put on my booties. I love these. I love Dolce Vita. You guys know that, but I got these last year. These are cute Dolce Vita boots. And for jewelry, my Valentine's Day gift necklace and my bracelet stack. And that's it. That's it for outfit of the day today. So my Valentine's Day story. This one is funny. So my husband bought me this necklace. I think it's by a company called Mica. And they have, you can pick all different types of shapes. He picked the hearts, and then you can have your names engraved on it. So he has my name and his name engraved on this. So super cute. It came in a very nondescript bag addressed to him, as so it should. But my son was expecting something and thinks all bags are for him. So he rips it open, not something he recognizes. So he brings it downstairs and says, "I think this is yours." Completely ignoring the fact that it's addressed to my husband. So I see it. I know that I didn't order it, and I give it right back to my son, and I say, "You need to give this to Dad because I think that he ordered it for somebody. Better be me, right?" I didn't know what it looked like at the time, but I could tell that it was a jewelry gift. So my husband comes home at the end of the day, and he's like, "Did a package come for me?" And I say, "You might want to check with Dalton. I think he may have what you're looking for." And he's like, "Did he open it? Did you see it?" And I said, "I didn't see it. I saw something that looked like he needed to give it to you." At that point, then my husband gets it and he just gives it to me and says, "Here's your Valentine's Day gift." I guess it's not a surprise. And the sad part was he had sprung for like the gift bag, The card, the whole thing was there, ready for him to just put it in for Valentine's Day, and my son kind of like ruined the whole surprise for him. So he decided to just give it to me. So that's why I've been wearing it 2 weeks early. All right, and somebody asked me if they could see my Valentine's Day inspired nails. So I just had a couple hearts put on, one solid and one open. Went with a pale pink, and that's what it looks like. Let me know what you think. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. I'm getting to this really late, completely pitch black outside. It's 6:30, 34 degrees. That was the high today. I've got both sidekicks joining me today. Zena's such a fuzzy wuzzy because their groomer didn't come. I do mobile grooming. And look, she's such a fuzzy wuzzy. And the day she was supposed to come, the temperatures were well below freezing. I want to say like 8 degrees, and she was afraid to use her truck and have any issues, so she didn't come. So Friday, we're going to try again. So hopefully we can get them all groomed. And my Wantable, it's escaping me at the moment. Anyway, it posted today, and I kept the whole last outfit. So the black blazer, I love a great black blazer. I did keep the Bonjour sweatshirt, and I kept the Dear John, love Dear John, and they fit nicely, and I like the light wash as we head towards spring. So those were my 3 keepers on that one. And for today's outfit, I'm in a Cabi outfit. I have on Cabi denim, the Malibu, and I have on the Cabi sweater. This was from the 24 fall winter collection. And for shoes, I have Vince Camuto from a Stitch Fix. And then I have on Ana Luisa necklace and the necklace that my husband got me. There it is. My bracelet stack you guys have seen before. And I think that's it for today. So I'm going to go try to figure out dinner. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday and time for outfit of the day. It is a rainy, dismal, dark day, but it's 40 degrees outside. I think it's supposed to get cooler, and they're expecting these storms to be coming through, so hopefully they miss us because it involves sleet and snow and ice, which all sounds terrible. So I'm hoping that doesn't come anywhere near us. And let's see, Wyatt's hanging out with me today, but he's ready for a full-on video. I don't think you can see him laying there. And for outfit of the day today, I have on cut from the cloth denim from a Trendsend. I have on a Good American sweater, also from a Trendsend. Paired it with Donald Pliner little heels, the gold, and a necklace from Ana Luisa, and my bracelet stack. And that's my outfit today. We almost made it to the weekend. I'll see you tomorrow with Happy Dance. Hey everybody, happy Friday, happy Valentine's Day. It is time for outfit of the day. The sun is shining. It's about, I think 30. Yep, or 24. It's not even quite 30 yet. It's supposed to get up to 31. Today was a grooming day for all the pups, so guess who's visiting today? My dad's dog, Tico. He's super bad, so I'm ready to take him home, which is where he's going to go now. But we're going to let him do Happy Dance today, since he won't get off my lap, and he's being so bad. Huh, Tico? He looks like such an angel, but he's so bad. He's pooped in my house 3 times. I use a diaper on because he'll pee in my house wherever he goes. He's just bad, but so angelic at the same time. Wyatt's ready for him to go home too, but Wyatt looks so cute with his little Valentine bandana as well. Don't you, buddy? Want to show everybody what you look like? You want to show everybody? Come here. Show everybody what you look like. Show everybody. See how cute you are. Doesn't he look so cute? See his little bandana? He's so cute, huh? Zena's asleep downstairs, so hopefully you'll see her tomorrow. And let's see. For outfit of the day today, I have on hidden denim from a Wantable. I have on a top with the thumb holes from Free People. I have on a blank NYC jacket that I got on sale from Eve. You probably caught that in my sale haul. I think. Maybe I didn't have this one in it. I don't remember, but I got this on sale. I might have forgot to include this one because I already hung it up in my closet knowing I wanted to wear it. And then for shoes, I have on these super fun Seychelles. How cute are those? And for jewelry, the necklace my husband got me, an Ana Luisa necklace. And that's it. That's it for today. I went to the Eve store last week, I think it was. And I was all alone and I had some time and they were bringing me all kinds of fun new arrivals. So I decided to stay and try everything on that they shared with me, which was quite a bit. So I did a little in dressing room video for you guys. I got it down to less than a minute, so stop by and check that one out. It posted today, and I will share upcoming what I kept from that fun try on. All right, I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It's just Wyatt and I. You can't, here he is. Can you see it? There's his little nose or something. We woke up to a snowy, cold, dark gray day. 36 degrees, getting up to 44 for the high. The snow is coming down and starting to blanket the ground pretty nicely. In fact, everything's covered. Trees, everything. And for outfit of the day today, I chose Mica denim from Wantable, a Loft t-shirt, a Z Supply jacket. You may remember from my Z Supply haul. Can't wait to wear this one. Should be a perfect day for it. And for shoes, I don't know if you remember these. They're older. They are Sam Edelman, but I wanted something with grip at the bottom, so I'm going with these. Plus, I love the leopard. I have a Loft belt on, my necklace that was my mom's, Ana Luisa necklace, and my bracelet stack. And I think I'm ready for my day. Today, my Armoire posted. It's such a good one. In fact, this blazer you've probably been seeing hanging here, that's from Armoire. I love it. It's just it was such a good one. But I picked all the pieces, so of course I'm going to like them. They've had a special going on. Check out my community page where I posted the code. I'll try to put it down below too to see if it's still good, but you were able to get 2 months for the price of one of the unlimited case, so the limited capsule. So I love that. All right, hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Share what your favorite outfit was this week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.